Hello everyone. So this video is about a course that I am doing on LLM engineering. This course is offered by Edward Donner, and the wonderful thing about this course is Edward is so responsive. If you have any doubts, you can just get in touch with him either via LinkedIn or through email, and he responds to your queries immediately. It's a 30-day course or 6 weeks, as you say, and it is about developing agents. So in this video, I'll show you the first exercise that I did, which is part of the first week of the course, and how I use the Python code to get the answer to that exercise. I'll talk about that exercise in a moment. Now, as I said, he uses Cursor for this exercise, for this course, and he also uses a package manager called UV, which is something which is wonderful. You can learn more about that. I will more about that in the course that he does. I'll also link to his website. And the exercise that you see on screen is, first ask the LLM to pick a business area that might be worth exploring for an agentic AI opportunity. Then ask the LLM to present a pain point in that industry, something challenging that might be ripe for an agentic solution. Finally, have third LLM call propose the agentic AI solution. So this is what I tried to achieve on this. So let's go through the code. So this is the cursor interface, as most of you would be aware. Now I'm importing the necessary libraries. First is OpenAI, because we're going to use the OpenAI API to get to one of the models that OpenAI has. Second is import HTTPX. This is to secure the connection that we will have. And import certify. Certify is a root certificate, which is again something which is required to access different websites, to access APIs. Then we go on to the setup. Transport is equal to httpx.http transport. So here we are authenticating the certificate, going to the location, then I'm specifying the API key. So you will have to create your own API key. I'm using an OpenAI API key. And then HTTP client, HTTPX client, transport is equal to transport. So this helps us in setting up the secure transport or secure connection. Then the first part of the exercise is to ask the LLM to pick a business area. So in this, we are using the model GPT-4, and we could use any other model, 4.0 mini, 4.01 mini, whichever model you want to use. What Ed has told me is GPT-4 is an old model and it will cost you more and the results won't be that great. So you can use GPT-4.0 mini or 4.01 mini. Then in messages, we have the role, system, and content. This is the format in which you access the API. Now, this part sets the context. So you are a strategic AI business consultant. So that is context setting. Then again, you have role, user, and content. So here is what we are asking the LLM to do. The first LLM or the first agent, pick one business area that might be worth exploring for an agentic AI opportunity. Be precise. Then we go to printing that business area. So it will print the business area. The second step, the second step is to ask for pain points in the industry. It follows the same process as the first step. Here the context is you are a domain expert in business operations. Then the specific query is in the domain of whatever the business area chosen. Identify a pressing pain point or inefficiency that may benefit from an agentic AI solution. Now, one thing has to be kept in mind, not every problem has an agentic AI solution. So the problem should be such that there is a requirement for agentic AI. Otherwise, it will be worthless. It won't be useful. And then we print the pain point. And step 3, the final step, we propose an agentic AI solution. It follows the same process. The context is you are a solution architect for agentic AI systems, and the user content is given the pain point, which will come from the second agent, in the domain of which comes from the first agent. Propose a practical agentic AI-based solution. Be clear, innovative, and realistic. And then we print that agentic AI solution. Now, when you run this, you get this answer. Okay. Business area, one potential business area worth exploring for agentic AI opportunities, supply chain management and optimization in the manufacturing industry, and so on. Pain points, one pressing pain point in supply chain management within the manufacturing industry that may greatly benefit from an agentic AI solution is demand forecasting accuracy. It gives all the details. And the solution proposed is an end-to-end agentic AI platform named Forecast AI with the primary aim of improving demand forecasting accuracy in the manufacturing industry, which is something which is very, very important. And solution functionality is also given by the LLM. Advanced demand forecasting, real-time inventory management, predictive maintenance, analytics and reporting, enhanced logistics, and so on. So this is how you can build 3 agents to find a solution to the problem. And if we have a look at the markdown, then the markdown is this. Solution functionality is mentioned like this. And by implementing Forecast AI, manufacturing firms can streamline their operations, realize significant cost savings, optimize their supply chain, and in turn enhance customer satisfaction by ensuring product availability and prompt delivery. So I would urge you to go through this course by Edward Donner, and the link is provided in the text below, in the details below. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.